In this video, I will show you exactly how to view your system error code logs for debugging connections within Typeform. If you have ever run into issues where your data is not being sent correctly to your external server, checking these logs is the most important step for troubleshooting. To begin the process, you first need to log into your account and open the specific form that you are currently troubleshooting. Once you have the form editor open on your screen, look at the top navigation panel and click on the Connect tab. This section is where all of your external integrations are managed. Right below the main navigation bar, you will see a sub-tab labeled Webhooks, so go ahead and click on that options. Now you should see a list of your configured webhooks. Locate the active webhook endpoint that is causing the connectivity issues and click on the View Deliveries button located right next to it. This will open up a detailed Review Deliveries log table that serves as a complete history of your data transfers. This log is incredibly valuable because it explicitly tracks every single payload attempt your form has made. More importantly, it documents the specific external system error code that was returned by your server during the communication process. By examining these codes, you can identify if there is a timeout, a permissions error, or a server-side crash. This visibility allows you to stop guessing and start fixing the root cause of your connection failures immediately. It provides total transparency into what your server is communicating back to Typeform. Following these simple steps ensures that you have all the technical data needed to resolve any integration hurdles quickly and efficiently. Just keep an eye on those delivery status codes, and you will be back up and running in no time at all.